Hello, let's talk about changes to the trace tool version 0.1.1. There are two primary changes, both related to the windows that display trace plot. Let's take a look at that. Let's do double click on this particular trace. In the right upper corner, you can now see several new elements. There is a configuration, the trace config icon. When you click on that, you can see a set of controls that you can change. You can change figure title, foo of X. You can indicate if you want to show legend, in this case right here, or you don't want to show it. You can indicate where you want to place it, upper right, upper left, etc. You can change the x-axis label. In this case, it is, for example, let's say I want to write it in milliseconds. You can change the y-axis label. You can erase it, or you can say v as a function of time. You can indicate if you want to display or not to display grid. And most important, you can also apply linear transformation to the values on the y-axis. For example, this is the original value, and there is no linear transform. And we can scale it. For example, we can say 0.01, and we can also move it up and down. As you can see right there. These parameters shown in the configuration window are saved automatically. You don't actually have to press any special button like apply in order to save them. As soon as you type them, they are automatically saved in the inside of the project directory in one of the configuration files. So that's one of the change. The second important change is that you can also see when you can see the different versions of the given trace. So by default, when we click on that, let's click on that, you can see you're looking at the latest version, version number 4, and it will appear here. You can change it right here. You can see what it looked like at any given moment in time. You can also set it to none. But let's say we want to see our latest one. And let's say you want to see something prior. So you can say, show me another trace. And indeed, you can see here before and after. Blue in this situation been version 3 and orange-ish version 4. That's the latest. Let's say you want to compare it from version 1. And so that's a second change, which is that you can manually pick the one or two versions of the given trace to display on this trace window. And you can also change several different parameters about any given trace, which are all recorded and persisted inside of the project configuration file, project configuration directory. Thank you.